I made a promise. I will try to start it in this video. So today, try to start the motorcycle. Before we can even hit the start button, we have work to do. Radiator, fuel tank, leakages everywhere. All of it needs fixing. But once that's done, the real moment is there. Before we continue, if you like what we do, please subscribe to the channel and help it grow. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. It's episode 6 and we have some great news to share. We have some partials. All the orders has arrived and let's unbox them. Start with a small one. It's sent by UPS. I saw this on the internet. I hope does it fit. It is a filler cap. It's for the radiator. So later in the episode we will see if this one fits, because I think it's a little bit small. That was the first one. Second one, larger box. It's a lot of paper, cat food, some cookies. It's cinnamon nuts. I don't know what it is. Some more cat food. Oh, some fries. I don't know what that is. And look, this is the partial. It's another radiator. I believe this part is coming from Michael Hayden, living in the UK. I did have a chat with him. Generally nice guy. Let's have a shout out to Michael. Second partial. It's this box. It's a little bigger box. It's a lot of paper again. And what we have here, a second radiator. So now we can check which is the best one, and I will refurbish that one and install it on the bike. Okay, fourth and last. It's a bigger one. As described in the last video, I ordered also a fuel tank. And here it is. Smells like fuel. I hope it's empty. Now let's see. Look at that. Let's see the other side. Here it is. The fuel valve. All right, let's continue building. As I told you, I ordered 2 radiators because it's both second-hand. New is almost not impossible to get and also very expensive. We need to check which one is the best, because if you see this, can you make a close-up? This one is quite damaged, as you see. The inlet is also a little bit bent, and the other side is also quite damaged. And for this one I don't know yet, because it's still in plastic. So let's open that one up and see how that one is looking. If we compare them with each other, this one is quite damaged. This one looks a lot better. Also the hose connection is straight. Let me show you. This one is straight, this one is a little bit bent. It looks quite rough, but it's more paint that's gone than the metal pieces are bent. This one looks a lot better, but has a problem with the mounting holes. This one has the mounting holes, but the quality, well, not the quality, but the status of this one is really rough. So we need to decide what to do. All right, we know what we're gonna do. This one I explain later. This one is the one that has a really bad shape. All the flat lamelles. My son, he's now filming. He wants to try to repair this one. So why not? Meanwhile, I will try to repair this one. This one is in very good shape, but the connection points are missing. I think I have a solution. I have this piece of, I think it's PTFE. It's like Teflon. It's heat resistant. You can shape it any way you want. You can cut it. You can mill it. You can do everything with it, but it's quite tough fabric. It's resistant to a lot of chemicals. It's resistant to heat. So I think this is quite a good material to fix the radiator. I want to reshape it that it will fit inside this area, this way or that way, I don't know yet. And then we can drill it like this in the radiator. And on this side we can drill some holes for the plastic cover. So let's do that.
Dankjewel, alsjeblieft.
That's my cameraman. Now he's a waitress. Cheers. Look at that, fits perfect. I hope you see it. I want to reduce the material that only the mounting points of the plastic cover for the radiator can be drilled holes for. I want to remove this piece. Alright, fast forward to the end result. I know you can't wait. Well, let's see what we made. So, holes drilled. It's quite nice, almost straight. We can take off a little bit of this, but I don't mind. And after some time and effort, made from this block, we made this piece. And after some work, we managed to add new mounting points to the radiator for the plastic cover. Another step closer to starting the engine. Now it's spray paint time. So, new day, radiator is dry. And yeah, when I was cleaning it, it looked like there's a small leakage inside, but maybe I'm wrong. I don't know. We have to check when it's installed. It's nice and black, and also all the dirt is out. Let's install the plastic cover. 3.5 hours later, the radiator was finally fixed. Fits nice. This is the new part. Looks good. Ready to install. Put it on the bike. Radiator fixed and installed. Time for the next job. All right, newsflash. I was cleaning this tank, the new one, well, new-ish, because the old one, the thread of the outlet of the fuel tank, the old one, it was a little bit damaged. So I thought, we have a new one, let's refurbish this one, and then it's good to go. But the inside is a little bit rusty, but we can overcome that. But here lies the problem. I don't know if you can see it. I have no idea how they do that. But there's a small hole at the bottom of the fuel tank, and I don't think it's belong there. So, for us, we stick to the old one. It's this one, and there you can see the thread is damaged. So we need to, we need to repair that. I have no idea how, but we don't have a choice. Look at that. Fuel valve installed. Yeah, I'm quite pleased with the results. Fuel tank installed. It's fresh paint, so it's shiny, it's glossy. I did have coolant leakage, but we solved it. I forgot to tighten the temperature transmitter, temperature readout. Let's put some fuel in and see if we can start the motorcycle. So let's pour in a little bit, see if there are any leakages, otherwise we have to solve that. I pre-mix it 1 on 50, so it should be more than enough for now. Let's see. We wait for now. See if there are any leakages. I don't know yet. Fuel tap. Open. And the carburetor should be filling. It's quite hard to check. It's leaking. Oh, that's my mistake. I spilled some oil. Oh, yep, it's leaking already. But from where? See? It's leaking from somewhere. From where? What from where? Let's. It's pouring out, you see. And after some inspection, we found the problem. The issue lies in the flotter needle. Look at this. I hope you can see it. This one is the original one. I'm glad that they didn't throw it away. This is the new one. Look at the difference. I'm gonna install the old one instead of the new one. Well, we'll see. Third problem already. And now the fuel crane is leaking. We need to fix that as well. Fourth problem, carburetor still leaking. We have to fix it again. It's another day. Yesterday I was continuing working on the motorcycle off camera because not everything that I do is fun to watch, but I will give you an update what's happened yesterday. As you can see, I did take it apart again because I put the fuel tank on it, put some fuel in, and everything that could leak did leak. So I need to fix the carburetor. It's already revised or refurbished, how you want to name it. We have some more leakages because I put also coolant in it, and I hope you see it. I don't know for sure, but the gasket of the temperature controller regulator is leaking, as you can see. The temperature reading was also leaking. And I have another leakage. It's the gasket of the water pump. Everything that could leak did leak. But I made a promise. I will try to start it in this video. So today, try to start the motorcycle. To be sure, check everything once again. I know the battery is full. It's charged overnight, so no problems with that. And here we are, finally, the moment we've all been waiting for. After hours of work, checking, adjusting, double checking, it comes down to this single moment. Everything looks good, everything feels good. Does it start? But still a lot of fuel. Attempt number 2. It's a little bit alive. Who thought that? It's working. That's great. I didn't believe that. Really, I didn't. We fixed the whole motorcycle and it started almost immediately. Wow. Let's try again. It's time to put an exhaust on, I think. I didn't believe that this happens to us. Make my day very good. So we still have some leakages, but the best part, the engine is working. I have no idea how good it is because it's the first time that we started, but I'm quite pleased to have this moment. Yeah. If you enjoyed the video, hit the like button and do the channel a favor by subscribing. See you in the next one.